Hey guys, this is Tarun here from Miners Gateway. So today we're going to discuss dual mining Ethereum and Ton. So there is a reason why I have started dual mining Ethereum and Ton together. So we'll find out in the video. So what is happening is I have actually decided to mine on all my RTX 3060 and 3060 Ti to mine Ton along with Ethereum, since LOL miner allows you to get the maximum hash rates out of these cards. So in today's video we'll discuss about mining Ton with Ethereum and their overclocks and the power limits, and we'll also look at the profitability. So I will see you in the Hivo screen in a bit. So right guys, we are back. So if you look, as we discussed, right, we are mining Toncoin and Ethereum. So this is one of my machines where I have LHR 3060 LHR version 1. Here the overclocks that I'm using is about 1605 and 2500 at 170 power limit, and it is drawing close to about it is drawing close to about 139 watts, which is not exactly correct, but it'll be drawing a little bit more than on the wall, so probably about 10 or 15 watts more. With that, I'm actually getting about 41 megahash on ETH and 1.19 gigahash on Ton. So if you look at the other rig, right, what I've done is I've actually consolidated all my LHR cards into one rig, and you know, if you go to the other rig, here I have my 3060 and three 3060s and one 3060 Ti. And here what I'm doing is I'm getting about 38.40 megahash on Ethereum, and with 1.135 on Ton. So with 3060 Ti, I'm getting about 46.94 megahash and 1.374 gigahash on Ton. So these are the overclocks that I'm using. They're pretty similar except for the 3060 Ti. I'm getting close to about 14.25 on the locked core clock, and 2305 and 180 power limit, right? So that is what I'm using. And if you look at my 4 gig cards, I am actually I've consolidated all my 4 gig cards here as well. So what I've done is here it is giving me about 4.546 gigahashes on these 4 gig cards, and the other two cards that are there are actually on this rig as well. So here I'm using the 1050 Ti. So here I'm getting about 425 426 megahashes. So I'm using the core clock of 160 and 525 with the power limit of 60, and this is the hash rate that I'm getting for Ton. So if you look at the profitability calculator, right, let me go back. I'm doing about 552 megahashes, 6 megahashes, and when it comes to Ton, right, we are doing about what do you call it, 6.763 plus 4.539, so that's close to about 11.2 gigahashes that we are doing at about 2300 watts that I'm drawing, right? So if you calculate, I am making close to about 0.0668 Ethereum and 1.65 Ton a day, right? And after electricity, I'm making about $14.45 on this on dual mining Ethereum and Ton with LOL miner. At this point of time, I'm going to stick to this. The reason why I'm going to continue to mine Ton is because if you look, let me open up Telegram here, and let me show you the stats. The reason is Ton, if you look at the stats, what it says is, if you go to mining, right, you see there is only about 28 days left to mine Toncoin as per tonwhales.com, and post that Ton is going to move to proof of stake. So by the time I will try to accumulate as much Toncoin as possible from my end to make sure that I can accumulate ton. And right now it is hovering about 1.86 dollars per coin. Let's see after going to proof of stake how much a ton coin would make for us. So if you go back to the profitability calculator, right, in a month with dual mining, we are doing about close to 50 ton approximately, and about zero point 0.2 ETH per month. So, which I'm all right with, and the profitability seems to be okay. It is not the best because the markets have crashed as well substantially, and hoping that Ethereum will climb back in prices, and the profitability will increase. Um, so that is all I have for this video. Please to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing to my channel, you guys will be supporting me and helping me and keeping me motivated to do more contents like this. If you have any queries or comments, please drop them down in the comment section below. I'll make sure to answer them as quickly as I can, and please, like I said, help me by supporting me in my content creation, and any constructive feedback, please do mention in the comments below. I can always work on it and improve on my content. Until next time, take care, stay safe. See you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.